Spike, Frugal Fixer here. I guess I'm about to be the frugal farmer. Y'all check it out. I got me some cattle panels, and I've started tearing out the old beds, and I kind of mocked up what my little building's gonna look like. So we're gonna build a Chinese greenhouse coming off of that wall right down there and coming down this way. So hey, let's look around and show you what we got. Okay, y'all do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hey, come on and join us. Let's see what it looks like. Help me. Give me some ideas on making this greenhouse work. I'd appreciate it. Right here we got 16-foot cattle panels and a flooded ditch because it poured rain out here this afternoon like you wouldn't believe. So I got to let this all dry up so I can get my water line in. Get that done. But what I've got, folks, is I've got about a 9 or 10 foot tall wall. It's a deck wall. It goes all the way down the side right here. I guess you can see what that does. So what we're going to do is we're going to start that fence about 1 foot from the top of that. And we're going to put that on there and come out and make that nice curve and make a nice point out here, and then run a 2x6 right down through there, pin it to the ground, and hook all that fence panel to it, and cover the whole thing with 2 layers of poly and pump some air between it. So that's the idea of what we're going to do. And we're going to slide the whole thing that way as far as we can and put the end of it against the end of the deck down on the far end. So we're going to move it down that way, and we're going to have to put a gutter across the top of that right there, spa building, to take that water and put it into the barrel. We're going to connect water in a barrel right over there. So the pool is right on the other side, and the pumps are right underneath here. So what I'm going to do is I'm moving the pool. Now I have a pipe in the ground that goes out and around in the backyard, and we have to move it when we cut the grass out here in the yard. And so I'm going to take that and move it. Ooh, there's more thunder. I'm going to take it and move it up onto this wall and curl it up on this wall, and then woo, lightning, and then go back into the pool. So I'm going to put my pool heater inside my greenhouse on that wall that's going to be covered with black plastic. So that's what's going to happen there. Give you a quick look here, and we'll walk around here to where the pool comes out. We got an above ground pool, see right there. And I bring the pipes out of the ground right here and run them right out across the yard and circle it and come right back around like this. And when we get ready to cut grass, we just move it over. And so all my pool water goes through there. Have to run a little extra chlorine in the water. But here's a view of this side, how the greenhouse is going to look from here, to give you a really good kind of a view. And I don't know exactly how I'm going to make that curve yet, or how I'm going to shape it. That'll be determined when I get it pinned on both sides. And I'll keep y'all updated on the project and how it's coming and how things are going with it. But right now it's thundering, and I seen a little lightning, and I think it's probably time for me to get Spike's happy butt in the house and go work on a edit this video out for us. So maybe I'll just go do that. And we'll join you tomorrow when the weather's better, and maybe we'll have some of this thing put up and working here. So it's starting to rain on me again. I'm gonna get on in the house, so y'all remember this. Hey, Frugal Fixer's gonna be a farmer. At least that's what they tell me. And I used to farm back when I was in California, but I've done it inside. This is a whole new thing for me, and I gotta try it out. So we're gonna grow some veggies in the garden out here in the greenhouse. Chinese greenhouse is what they tell me I'm building, or something like that. So hey, I gotta get out here, dude. It's lightning. Hey, do me a favor, I'm standing out in lightning. At least you do is subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and hey, thank y'all for coming by. Later. Bye. Woo! Let's go. Let's get to the house. Oh, let's go to shop. We'll go to shop anyway. Ooh, oh, okay, let's go. Across the yard. Let's go. Oh man. Uh-oh, here it comes. Y'all hear that? Oh man, I can hear it coming now. Let's go in the office and start editing this video out. Okay, let's step in my office and edit the video. Y'all be good.